Hello YouTube viewers, this is Heliok here. Today we're gonna talk about the most badass weapon in Robocraft that you can use in Robocraft. Now, no, it's not rail cannon or plasma. It is SMGs. SMGs are often overlooked, but it is the most powerful weapon, and it's very good against all kinds of weapons. It's very good against rail cannon. It's very good against plasma. It's very good against healing weapons like nano disruptor, and it can destroy that Tesla blade in one shot, so you don't have to worry about anything else. This is the most robust weapon system there is in Robocraft. Now, issue with this system is that people don't know how to properly use it. First of all, you have to remember SMGs have a firing rate limitation. They can only fire 6 rounds a cycle or a second. You do call it whatever we can. So that means it has to cycle through 6 weapons. So if you put too many, let's say you put around 10, 20, it has to go through all of them in a serial order, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how about I demonstrate this option? Come on. As you see, it cycles through the weapon like 1, 2, 3, 4. It has to wait. It can't, like, let's say the front 3 guns are the most effective one in any scenario, so it's not gonna use all the front three one. It has to wait to cycle through all 8 guns. That's why those people who have too many SMGs generally don't do very well. So, and not to mention, if you have some weapons that is on side, it has to cycle through that also, but it most likely it won't be aiming in a right direction, so it will be just a waste, and you have to wait till it's cycled through. That is the biggest reason why SMGs are not properly used. People just put it everywhere, and no, it's not. You have to make sure that most of the gun, if not all, has to be in a usable position. This configuration that I am showing you now is the most simplest of configuration. It's flat profile. It's very good against aerial, and it has no side blockage. As you can see, most of the gun can aim through even through sides. Boom. So you have to understand that you can't have all gun all over the chassis. It will, you can have it, but it will affect the firing rate. And SMGs are very good for land vehicles because they can take down. They don't have any range limitation, so they can take down aerial vehicles. And in aerial vehicles, they are not particularly very useful, other than dog fights. In dog fights, they will come very handy because uh, just try to aim a flying craft with your plasma. Just try to do that, and you will learn why this weapon exists. Rail cannon is comparatively stronger, but the reload time is surprisingly huge. So you will be vulnerable for that long. As you can see, there is no range limit in this. Right now I'm in practice mode, that's why I can't highlight. They are a bit underpowered, so that's why you have to make sure majority of your gun is putting firepower in the same spot. So that's why this front, flat profile helps. So, SMGs, the most powerful, they are very versatile. So use them for versatility. Don't you like, why can't they kill in one shot? Well, because they are a bit underpowered. Like, I honestly feel Robocraft Free Jam team should have given them a bit of a buff by now, So when you are making your SMG vehicle, make sure at least firing at any side, you are putting at least 4 rounds without interference. As you can see, uh, some guns are blocked by other guns, so you have to make sure at least 3-4 rounds are coming from all sides, and 100% of them on top. Because as you can see, this 2 guns are flat out firing at each other. That's why they're not. But move it up a bit, and now it starts to get some serious firepower. So that's why I urge you guys to use a flat profile. So this was my review and guide on SMGs. Hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, like it. If you disliked it, dislike it. Leave a comment, and as always, please subscribe. Thank you.